This is by a lady called Sonam, again feminist poem. मैं राम बनूंगी, मेरी सीता बनोगे। मैं राम बनूंगी, मेरी सीता बनोगे। अगली बार मैं चुनूंगी मर्यादा, तुम अग्नि परीक्षा लोगे। मैं कृष्ण बनूंगी, मेरी राधा बनोगे। मैं कृष्ण बनूंगी, मेरी राधा बनोगे। अगली बार मैं चुनूंगी कर्तव्य, तुम वियोग की पीड़ा सहोगे। मैं शिव बनूंगी, मेरी शक्ति बनोगे। मैं शिव बनूंगी, मेरी शक्ति बनोगे। अगली बार मैं चुनूंगी योग, तुम मेरे लिए अग्नि में तपोगे। मैं पुरुष बनूंगी, मेरी स्त्री बनोगे। मैं चुनना चाहती हूँ खुद को, मेरे पीछे मेरे लिए उन लोगों से लड़ोगे। This why I like this poem, because as I mentioned, it's very subtly giving a feminist approach. Uh, a translation is, I am the man. All the gods' names were taken: Ram, Krishna, Shiv. I am the man. This time, let me do all the things that men do, and can you do the things that women do? For example, sacrifice. For example, Ram is known as Maryada Purushottam, and Agni Pariksha was given by Sita. So they say that, can you do the Agni Pariksha this time, and I'll be the Maryada Purushottam. Do Kar, can you do Kartavya? Sorry, I'll do Kartavya. Can you take the bitterness of going far away? Can मैं चुनूंगी योग. So will you, I'll be the on the benefit side. Will you just thinking the right word, will you go into fire? क्या तुम मेरे लिए अग्नि में तपो. And the last one, I will choose myself this time. Can you follow me? Because it's generally the woman who follows the man. So it's the reverse. So that's why I like the poem very much.